Homeowners searching for energy-efficient windows. League City, Texas want solutions that lower bills and improve year-round comfort. In League City, Texas, 77573, energy-efficient window replacement. League City, Texas, 77573 is one of the smartest upgrades for homes facing Gulf Coast heat, humidity, and storm exposure. From South Shore Harbor to Bay Colony, home window efficiency. League City projects often focus on insulated window installation. League City, advanced window sealing and insulation. League City, and custom energy-saving windows built for local conditions. The best energy-efficient windows in League City, Texas help reduce solar heat gain, block drafts, and create a more comfortable indoor environment across every season. Double-pane windows. League City remain a top choice for residents who want dependable insulation and long-term performance. Double-pane window installation. League City, Texas, 77573 and thermal pane windows provide added protection by placing insulating air or gas between panes, helping limit heat transfer in hot Texas weather. Many League City window replacement projects include argon gas-filled windows. League City for even greater thermal performance, especially in neighborhoods like Brittany Lakes and Hidden Lakes. These thermal window upgrades League City homes need can also support better sound control, making soundproof insulated windows. League City and sound-reducing energy-efficient windows. League City, Texas, a practical option near busy roads and growing residential corridors. Low-E glass windows. League City are ideal for controlling heat and protecting interiors from harsh sunlight. Low-E glass window contractors. League City, Texas often recommend UV-blocking windows. League City for homeowners wanting window heat reduction solutions. League City that also preserve flooring, furniture, and interior finishes. In communities such as Marbella and Tuscan Lakes, UV-blocking insulated windows and custom replacement windows are especially attractive for modern homes with larger glass areas. These high-performance windows. League City reduce glare, improve comfort, and support energy-efficient windows. League City goals without sacrificing curb appeal. Vinyl replacement windows. League City continue to be one of the most affordable and popular options for residential upgrades. Vinyl energy-efficient windows. League City, Galveston County, Texas are known for low maintenance, moisture resistance, and strong insulating value, making them an excellent fit for the Texas Gulf Coast. Homeowners seeking affordable, efficient windows. League City often choose vinyl because it delivers energy savings, durability, and a clean, updated look. In areas like Victory Lakes, eco-friendly window installers Victory Lakes, League City, Texas frequently install Energy Star windows. League City and vinyl replacement windows. League City to help homeowners balance performance, aesthetics, and budget. Storm protection matters just as much as efficiency in this part of Texas, which is why hurricane-rated energy-efficient windows. League City are in high demand. Hurricane impact energy-efficient windows. League City, Texas Gulf Coast are designed to help withstand severe weather while also improving daily insulation. Impact-resistant windows. League City, storm-ready efficient windows. League City, Texas Gulf Coast, and draft-resistant windows. League City give local properties added defense against wind, debris, and pressure changes common along the coast. For homes near Kemah, Clear Lake, and the League City Parkway corridor, these upgrades combine security and comfort with premium replacement windows. League City Parkway TX performance. Residential window installers. League City should understand the specific needs of both older homes and newer builds. Professional window contractors. League City, Texas and local window installation experts. League City, Texas can assess whether a full League City window replacement or targeted window retrofit services are the better choice. For remodeling, thermal window upgrades. League City and window sealing and insulation. League City can dramatically improve energy performance. For expanding homes or custom builds, new construction windows. League City provide an opportunity to install high-performance windows. League City from the start. Homeowners in the Clear Creek area often rely on window replacement services. Clear Creek area, League City, Texas for tailored solutions that match architecture and efficiency goals. Energy Star windows. League City are a smart investment for anyone focused on long-term savings and verified performance. Energy-efficient windows. League City, Texas are designed to meet strict standards for insulation, solar control, and energy efficiency, making them ideal for the demanding Texas climate. Whether homeowners are comparing insulated home windows South Shore Harbor League City, Texas or residential window upgrades Bay Colony League City, Texas, certified products help simplify the decision-making process. These windows can lower cooling demands, improve indoor comfort, and increase property value while supporting eco-friendly window replacement League City priorities.